Nadira Hamid, the CEO of the Indo-Canadian Business Chamber. ICBC is the only bilateral chamber based in India which is dedicated to promoting trade and business relationships between India and Canada. Our headquarters are in Delhi and we have a pan-India presence through regional councils based in Ahmedabad, Mumbai, Bengaluru and Calcutta. We work closely with the governments and industry of both the countries to achieve our mandate. Over the last few years, ICBC has established a firm base in the India and Canada trade and economic corridor. Let me highlight a few of the achievements and developments in this domain over the last few years. Overall trade between the two countries has gone up to $10 billion in 2019 from $9.5 billion in 2018. And there's a scope for a lot of development in this area because the overall trade figures are up by 20%. Investments from the Canadian pension funds and institutional funds has touched a figure of $40 billion over the last few years. Approximately 200,000 Indian students have gone to Canada for further studies and about 1,000 Canadian companies have a presence in India. Overall, the commercial relationship between India and Canada has reached almost $60 billion. Notable ICBC member companies like CDPQ, Brookfield Asset Management, IBI Group and TCS from India, Jubilant Life Sciences and ICICI Bank have made tremendous bilateral investments in both the countries. The India-Canada trade relations are on the rise, and even though the effects of the pandemic have been substantial, there's a lot of scope for trade and investment opportunities and for forging business partnerships in both these countries. There are many opportunities in the sectors of healthcare, agri-tech, pharmaceuticals, infrastructure, ICT, clean tech. And we at ICBC have our priorities laid out for us. We want to focus on forging conducive partnerships and B2B engagements in these sectors. We are also looking at engaging more strongly at the Canadian provincial level and the Indian state level. Our relationship with organizations like Invest India add a lot of value in developing strong economic engagements between the two countries. Recent announcements by the Government of India on a multiple economic stimulus, especially in the area of increasing FDI up to 74% in the defense sector, is of tremendous value to this relationship between the two countries. ICBC, in association with Invest India, offers the right platform and the expertise to ensure that the relationship between India and Canada develops to greater heights. We have greater investment opportunities in the Canadian provinces and in the Indian states, and there are many more B2B associations and business flourishes. Presently, we are engaged with organizing a series of webinars on topical subjects, inviting key people from the government and the industries. Join us on these seminars, reach out to us directly or contact us through our partners like Invest India Canada Desk, and feel free to ask us questions and become a part of this growing momentum in the business relationship between India and Canada. I look forward to seeing you at our next webinar. Thank you and goodbye.